How do experts find volcanoes beneath the ocean? Volcanoes are beautiful land formations so long they're not active. Because when angry, volcanoes can wipe out anything nearby. So, how exactly do we find volcanoes we can't see, like the ones under sea? Modern tech is the weapon and sound is the clue. There have been millions of volcanic explosions since the formation of Earth. Yet the one on human record as the deadliest undersea volcanic explosion is Krakatoa, a volcano on Rakata Island in the Sunda Strait, Indonesia. Not a surprise since its location belongs to the Ring of Fire, the home of volcanoes and earthquakes on Earth. According to Britannica, its explosive eruption in 1883 was one of the most catastrophic in history. On May 20, 1883, one of the cones became active with ash-laden clouds that reached 10 kilometers in height, and explosions were heard 160 kilometers away. The sound reached Batavia, Jakarta. The undersea volcano made a pause at the end of May, but resumed its activity on June 19. On August 26 at 1 p.m., the first series of violent explosions happened, and by 2 p.m., a black cloud of ash emerged 27 kilometers above the volcano. The explosions were so intense that the booming sounds could be heard 3,500 kilometers away, reaching Australia. The unleashed ash had a height of 80 kilometers, and the pressure generated had spread into the atmosphere. Krakatoa went quiet on the morning of August 28. Near Krakatoa, only a few people died because its area was uninhabited, but the tsunamis took 36,000 lives in the coastal towns of Java and Sumatra. Living on the west coast? Imagine a silent underwater volcano charging and waiting for the right opportunity to erupt. If that happens and your city is near the coastline, death and ruin are likely because of tsunamis. So, volcanologists seek these deadly volcanoes to provide advance warnings. To find them, they use specialized instruments, and one of these is hydroacoustic monitoring. During undersea volcanic explosions, the contact between lava and near freezing seawater will create deafening noise, and that's acoustic energy. Fortunately, the energy doesn't travel so fast that we can use it in early warning systems. At the depth of 3,300 feet, the pressure, temperature, and salinity of seawater work together to slow the sound's movement. Scientists call it the sound fixing and ranging or SOFAR channel, the same channel used by whales for communication. According to BBC, acoustic underwater instruments could tap SOFAR to estimate where the lava flow is and predict upcoming volcanic eruptions. The method isn't perfect, but acoustic data from the depths of the ocean might be the difference between living and dying among people close to an imminent catastrophe. Have you experienced a volcanic eruption in your life? What was the first thing you did during the frightening event? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Till our next video, thanks for watching.